So, Joe, you ready for school today? Huh? No? Why not? Why not today? What's wrong with today? Gotta look up. Look at the camera. Why not? I can't hear you. See, let me carry your backpack. Let Phil carry your backpack. One of us carry it. It's too heavy for you. Carry it when you get to school. It's too heavy. Worry about staying warm, okay? All right, you guys. So, I done had the camera with about 3-4 days. I didn't shot about 4 or 5 videos with it. Only posted about 3 of them. I ain't gonna lie. I'm loving this camera. Small, compact. Does everything I needed to do and more. Good morning. Good morning. The Sony ZV-1 is gonna be my new main camera. I still be using my iPhone every now and then when I just need to. Maybe need to get another shot or a second camera. I'll be using my phone, but for the most part, the most shots y'all gonna be seeing is straight out of this camera right here. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on once we get to the house. I need to put my hands in my pocket because it is freezing fucking cold out here. Peace. Dude, get your backpack.
Come on, nephew. Put your backpack on, man. Cause we just combobulated this morning. Hold up, let me fix the jacket right. You gonna have a good
Remember
day.
now, everybody not gonna have the same understanding as you, and don't expect them to, okay?
And everybody does not look regular, okay?
See you afternoon. Love you. Just dropped Jay off at school. Now we headed back to the house with Talib by Key.
Hey man, my face probably so fucking nervous. Actually, I was late waking up, taking my nephew to school, y'all. Y'all excuse me. I'm still trying to get used to being on camera. I keep looking on this side instead of the actually camera. It's too early for this. It's cold. He not letting me make it.
He ain't making it.
Not at all.
We filming, man. We filming. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on, man, once we get to the house, man, and start doing these product reviews, man, and these things that we doing today. I don't know what we gonna be doing, but we finna be doing something.
First thing I'm about to do is roll me a nice blunt up.
Ooh, I'm gonna join them, roll a joint up, but I'm only smoking one today, baby. I'm only smoking one today.
Yeah, I'm only smoking 1, 2. 1 pack of cigars.
God damn.
Woods. That's all.
How many come in a pack?
5.
Oh, so he's smoking 5 times today, huh?
5 times.
I'm gonna take his 5 and put them to my 1 joint, but it's gonna be an extra long joint. Like I said, I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We might do some reactions today, but I will be turning y'all guys back on once we get to the house. Peace. What's up, you guys? Y'all know who it is, man. It's MicIsh.B, and today, man, we're back here once again how we started with these Lumafusion videos. Today, I'm finna go ahead and show you guys how I come through and I edit just a little quick clip inside of Lumafusion and how fast and simple this really can be if you have your iPhone. Now, granted, you can use whatever camera you want. Right now, I'm using the ZV-1. And even the clips that I shot in the video were all shot with the ZV-1. But you can also use your phone as long as you turn your phone sideways. This is what a lot of YouTubers are using right now. Just their iPhone 11 Pros and 13 Pro Maxes. Let's get right into the video. First, let's open up Lumafusion. And let's make sure we start a brand new project. So at the bottom, we're going to hit the plus down here. We got the little lines at the bottom. Hit the plus in the lower left-hand corner. Then right next to that, it's a plus button inside of a box. Let's hit that, and let's start a new project. Now, if I was you, I would name it whatever you wanted. This right here is me in the hospital, so I'm going to say, hospital visit. Call it hospital visit. Wait, did it work? Hospital visit. It done. Boom, now let's say hospital visit. You're gonna hit plus. Now, I've already imported my footage from my ZV-1 in here, but usually what I would do, I would just airdrop whatever footage I have from my iPhone straight to my iPad, and boom, it should be inside your Photos app. Now, from your Photos app, you come up here, and you will hit this button up here, and you'll hit Photos, and then from there, you'll hit Videos. Now, these are all the videos that are inside of my Photos right now. First thing you want to do, let's see, let's find the first clip I want to start with. We should like this one. Let's make sure it's click in, hit play. Get used to this. And if you look on here next to it, let's go through these little functions. You have a button that looks kind of like a open C, and another one on the other side like this. These are your in and out points, so you can know when to come in and when to come out of your clip. So we're gonna find when we want to come in, and then we're gonna press that. That's what I want to come in at. Let me zoom forward. So right after I say peace, and I hit the camera, I'm gonna hit my out point. So then I just grab the video and drag it in, or you can just hit this button right here and it'll drop it down. This little arrow button with the 2 clips right here. So we don't want to put it in twice. So now you can use 2 fingers like this, and you can zoom you'll be able to zoom out. Let's undo that because I think I just cut some of the clip. Now we'll be able to zoom out. Now let's go to the next clip. Same thing.
So you guys, I'm still in the hospital. I just came through and pretty much said that everything checks out. Probably got little cuts. Or what he said, maybe ulcers, right? Or mini ulcers. That's probably why I was throwing up blood and not feeling my best. But right now, okay, gave me some medications, but to send me home with some medications, some pain medicine, some nausea medicine. I'm gonna go ahead and feel that, make sure I'm on that. So y'all, take care of yourself, man. Take care of your health. Even though you don't like going to the hospital.
Facts, take care of yourself.
I hate coming to this hospital. I come to any hospital. But I got a son and I got a wife that needs me. And so if they need me, it means my health has to be A1. So with that being said, gotta watch my health and really stay, you know what I'm saying, stay on it. But until we get to the car, until it's time to leave, we're gonna turn y'all guys back on. Again, I got 2% of this bottle left, so I don't know how long it's gonna last, but y'all see what it is. It's MicIsh.B still in the hospital, as y'all can see. My baby here with me. See? Hello.
So right after the doctor come in, I want to put an endpoint there. Grab it. And let's drag that in. Now I said use the 2 fingers again. Let me turn on this show feature so y'all will be able to see exactly what I'm doing. Show touches. Now y'all can actually see what I'm doing. So now we just go to the next clip, which should be the last and final clip. Oh, I think I got one more clip. Let's see what this is.
So y'all, we're finally leaving. We're finally leaving. And like I said, I got all my results. They gave me 3 different medications. Like I said, take care of yourself, man. We out, man. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, literally. So we finna call it a night. Tell y'all back on tomorrow, man. Peace.
Y'all, just please excuse the booger, man. I was really feeling bad. I was feeling sick. Excuse the booger that was on my face in that clip. Alright, so now we're finna work to the last clip, which is actually me leaving the hospital. And in this clip right here, I actually want to do some speed ramping until it actually comes to about right there, until it actually turns off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the whole clip, slide it in, and then we're going to find right before I turn the clip to me, and then we're going to cut it at that point. So right there is when I turn it to me. Let's cut it. Double tap on the clip that you want to speed ramp. Come to the middle where it says frame and frick. Come right next to the next one. Have like a little, I guess you could say, it says speed and reverse on it. So come to that clip. Come to the line to say speed and jack that all the way up to 6 points. Once you do that, now you just made your clip go super fast. So let's watch that. The audio is bothering me in this clip. So let's double clap it again. Double clap it. Double tap it again. Let's go back to reverse and let's go to maintain pitch audio. Let's turn that on so the pitch of the audio can stay the same. Why it's not turning on? Oh, it says not available when speed is over 2 times. So let's take it back down to exactly 2 times. Now we can turn that on. Now we got the feature sped up a little bit. Let's check it out.
Peace. Right? Actually, like I said, we leave the hospital. It's time to go. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. No other cars really look like they out here but me. You know, everybody else work here. I'm gonna drive.
Alright, so I want to cut that part right there out. So then I can just come here, from the click on the clip, hit the X button, and hit the scissor button. And now we can finish it in our clip to where we want. Let's see.
Hey, if you start throwing, that's what I'm going to do.
No, I want. You unlock it? Alright, y'all,
So I'm gonna cut it right there. I don't want none of this other clip right there, so they're gonna bring that in. Boom. Now we cut it. Here we go.
I'm gonna drive. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to drive. I'll turn y'all back on once I get to the house. Peace.
Right there's where I want to end it at. Boom. Cut it again. Delete that. Now, you guys, as you guys can see, we just edited a real small little YouTube clip, no more than 2 minutes, but it's done. It's edited. Now we can take this video clip and upload it straight to YouTube. All you gotta do is hit the button at the bottom. It says a square button with the arrow pointing up. That means export. Make sure you hit movie. Then I got my stuff already set to YouTube. If you don't have your stuff set to YouTube, you'll have to go in here and sign into your YouTube inside of Lumafusion. Once you do that, you'll be able to hit YouTube, hit 4K, hit quality, ultra. Make sure that the video quality is at the highest quality. So I always use ultra. And everything else I'll leave the same. And then I will come straight in and hit export. Make sure that everything is spelled correctly. So it is, but I like to have my stuff capitalized. So we're going to make that capitalized. Like so. Now for me, just for my preferences, I always put everything in private, and then you can even choose the category of where you want your video to land. This right here is on some entertainment stuff, trying to just let y'all know what's going on. So I'm gonna keep it as private. Now we're going to export it. Now granted, this might take a little while, but you have just uploaded, you have just edited and uploaded your first video to YouTube using Lumafusion on the iPad. So you guys, if this video helped you guys in any type of way, man, go ahead and give a thumbs up, man. If it didn't, give a thumbs down. You know what? I really don't give a anyway. But make sure y'all, man, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you comment, man. And like I always say, man, always be creative. Peace.